What if I told you the future of American performance is here, and it's more breathtaking than anything you've ever imagined? Forget everything you thought you knew about Corvettes, because the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora isn't just a new model, it's a revolution. From its jaw-dropping design to its rumored mind-bending performance, this car is set to rewrite the rulebook. Are you ready for it? All right, let's talk about the undisputed star of the show, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. Named after Zora Arkus-Duntov, the visionary engineer who championed the mid-engine Corvette concept for decades, this car is the culmination of a dream. Just look at this front end. It's aggressive, yet incredibly sophisticated. The sharp, angular lines flow seamlessly into those striking LED headlights, which seem to glare with an intense purpose. The massive air intakes aren't just for show, they're crucial for cooling the beast lurking within. And that prominent Corvette badge sits proudly, signaling a new era of American supercar. The extensive use of visible carbon fiber hints at the lightweight and performance-focused philosophy behind this machine. Moving to the rear, the Zora continues to impress with its muscular stance and functional aerodynamics. The distinctive taillight design is unmistakably Corvette, but reimagined for a hypercar. And there it is, boldly emblazoned, Zora. This isn't just a Corvette, it's the Zora. The integrated rear spoiler and aggressive diffuser are designed to keep this car firmly planted at high speeds, a clear indication of its track-focused capabilities. From the side, the Zora's mid-engine layout truly shines. The cab-forward design, the long rear deck, and those massive wheels perfectly proportion this supercar. Every line, every curve, appears to be sculpted by the wind, not just for aesthetics, but for ultimate performance. Now, let's step inside, because the interior of the 2026 Zora is just as revolutionary as its exterior. This is a cockpit designed for the driver. The materials look exquisite: premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and subtle red stitching, creating a truly luxurious and sporting environment. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing all the crucial information at a glance. While official specifications are still under wraps, the rumors surrounding the Zora's powertrain are nothing short of incredible. Speculation points to a highly potent, perhaps even hybrid powertrain that could push horsepower figures well into 4 digits. Imagine the acceleration, the G-forces, the sheer thrill of commanding such power. This isn't just a faster Corvette, it's a hypercar contender, ready to challenge the established European elite. The 2026 Corvette Zora isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's Chevrolet proving that American engineering can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. Not just in terms of raw power, but in design, sophistication, and technological innovation. It represents the pinnacle of Corvette's evolution. A vehicle that honors its past while boldly stepping into the future. So, what do you think of the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora? Is this the American supercar you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're absolutely blown away by what we're seeing. And we can't wait to bring you more official details as they're released.